Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of food and nutrition. Today, we have a mouth-watering topic for you. 10 delicious foods that contain almost zero calories. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to reveal some incredible options that you can indulge in guilt-free. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Black coffee. The good news is, black coffee contains an incredibly low number of calories, almost close to zero. It's a great choice for those watching their calorie intake or trying to lose weight. Coffee beans themselves contain a negligible amount of calories, but when they're ground and brewed, a small number of calories are released. Nevertheless, these calories are so low that they won't significantly impact your overall calorie consumption. Another factor to consider is the size of your cup. A standard cup of black coffee, which is about 8 ounces, typically contains only 2 calories. So, if you want to keep your coffee calorie-free, it's best to stick to black coffee without any additional ingredients or sweeteners. Number 2. Watermelon. Bursting with juicy goodness, watermelon is not only incredibly refreshing, but also a fantastic guilt-free snack. With its high water content and natural sweetness, it's hard to believe this tasty treat contains 0 calories. Additionally, watermelon is also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals. It's rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that promotes heart health. Number 3. Oranges. Besides being a great source of vitamin C, oranges are also low in calories. Their natural sweetness and refreshing juiciness make them a delightful snack option or a perfect addition to your morning routine. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach and lettuce. These nutrient powerhouses are incredibly low in calories while providing a plethora of vitamins and minerals. Packed with essential nutrients, leafy green is a true superfood. Whether you're making a salad, a smoothie, or a delicious wrap, leafy greens should be your go-to choice. Number 5. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are not only visually appealing but also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. They come in various colors, each offering a unique taste. Add them to stir-fries, salads, or simply enjoy them raw for a satisfying crunch. Number 6. Mushrooms. These earthy delights are not only delicious but also low in calories and fat. You can use them as a meat substitute in your favorite recipes or saute them with garlic for a flavorful side dish. Mushrooms are mostly made up of water. They have a high water content, which dilutes the overall calorie density. This means that even if mushrooms do have some calories, the amount you consume is relatively low considering their volume. Number 7. Tomatoes. Bursting with flavor, tomatoes are a great choice for calorie-conscious food enthusiasts. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used in countless dishes. From salads to sauces, their low-calorie content combined with a burst of flavor makes them an excellent choice for weight-conscious individuals. Their natural acidity and rich taste will leave you satisfied without the calorie count. Number 8. Grapefruits. These citrus fruits are not only low in calories, but also rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, which helps boost your immune system and keep your skin glowing. Their tangy and slightly sweet flavor can brighten up any meal or make a refreshing addition to your morning routine. Number 9. Cucumber. With its high water content and refreshing taste, cucumbers are perfect for staying hydrated and adding a crisp element to your salads. Slice them up, toss them in a salad, or enjoy them as a standalone snack. This cool and crisp vegetable is not only hydrating, but also an excellent source of antioxidants. You can enjoy it as a standalone snack or use it to add a refreshing twist to your salads. Number 10. Crunchy celery. Known for its crunch and versatility, celery is a fantastic addition to any diet. Packed with fiber and essential vitamins, it's a snack that keeps you satisfied without weighing you down. When you consume celery, your body actually burns more calories during digestion than the vegetable itself contains. So it's like you're burning calories by simply eating celery. So not only does celery keep your waistline in check, but it also supports your internal well-being. That's all for the 10 delicious foods that contain 0 calories. Which one of these foods will you add to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more food fresh facts. Thanks for watching.